So welcome back to the channel. A year break. I haven't done much to the car but the interior, and I lost all the footage, so I am making this short video just to show the new seat and wheel and the hybrid racing shifter install. So but going to start cracking at the body here shortly. So we got the PLM bracket kit for the seat. Just gonna look up, I don't know if these taller ones or the shorter ones go in front. I think the taller ones probably do. All right, there it is. New steering wheel, new seat, ready to go in the little ride. So the interior is finally done and on to body work.